Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. All right, all my farm guys and hotshot haulers, this is the debate that never dies. Single rear wheel or dually for a Ram 3500? Which one actually makes more sense? Because everybody wants a dually, but not everybody actually needs one. So here's the real answer. A dually becomes necessary when you're consistently hauling heavy in the bed or pulling a big fifth wheel or gooseneck trailer. Not once in a while, I'm talking every day, making payload, big pin weight. That's where the extra rear tires change everything for stability. But if you're feeding cows, pulling small equipment, running around the farm all winter, a single rear wheel is way easier to live with. And that brings us to winter driving, because this surprises people. A dually on icy roads can actually be worse when it's empty. You've got less weight per tire, they float more, and they love to slide unless you've got weight over the axle. Maintenance is the next big one. Dualies means 6 tires instead of 4. More rotations, more replacements. And if you're running gravel, those rear fenders take a beating. Single rear wheels are just cheaper and simpler to keep on the road. But then resale, and this depends on who you're selling to. Dually resale is strong if the next buyer needs a towed rig. The market is always there. Single rear wheel usually sells faster because more people can daily drive it, park it in town, and use it for everything. So the honest farm answer, if your truck is dedicated heavy hauler, dually. If it has to do chores, winter roads, and town runs, single rear wheel all the way. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629 and we'll try our best to help you out.